This is the update made to Yoast Seo Premium, released on December 12, 2023. Yoast Seo Premium WordPress plugin. Changelog. Yoast Seo Premium WordPress plugin. Version 21.7. Changelog. Yoast Seo Premium 21.7 brings an improved first-time configuration, making it easier for people to get started. Also, Yoast Seo Premium 21.7 fixed several bugs and added some enhancements. Simplified setup. Yoast Seo Premium 21.7 refines the first-time configuration experience, ensuring users get started faster than ever with an improved and more intuitive setup process. The streamlined and user-friendly approach allows users to be up and running quickly with the proper settings. Language analysis improvements. Not everyone writes in English, so Yoast Seo Premium 21.7 offers language analysis tools in many languages. In this release, the accuracy of the word complexity assessment in French has been improved. Whether targeting specific regions or a diverse international audience, the tools in this version ensure that the user's message hits home. AI-powered titles and meta descriptions. Yoast Seo Premium 21.7 introduces cutting-edge AI features for crafting compelling titles and meta descriptions, helping potential visitors spot the user's content in search results. This feature is added to the WooCommerce SEO plugin for generating product titles and metas. The intelligent tools analyze the content and suggest titles and meta descriptions that captivate potential customers, boost click-through rates, and keep listings competitive. This is the changelog of Yoast Seo Premium 21.7. Join our group and channel on Telegram. In the description of this video you have the links. These are our recommended videos today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.